All right? And it's going to involve all of us improvisers. And our lovely Jackson here is going to do a monologue for us, right? A monologue from the heart, right? It's all real, what he's about to say, right? And it's all off the noggin. And we're just going to do some scenes based on what he says, right? So what we need from you is a suggestion for his monologue. Seattle. Have you ever been to Seattle? Do you have any stories that might stem from Seattle? He's thinking too hard. We need another suggestion. Cats. Little kitties. Look at you. You got kitties right here. I wonder what made them want to say cats. Is the fact that you're wearing a cat sweater. So, you got a cat sweater, Jackson? Alright, cool beans.
I hope I live up to your expectations. Well, can't really think of one with cats, but if I think of cat, I think of mouse, and mouse, I get to Pikachu. So, in a weird form of word association, it'll make sense. So, I want to tell you all the story of the time that I went as Pikachu for Halloween, and I had the worst scab possible. It was right here, and it was in a perfect little square. It all makes sense. So, imagine me in pre-K, and when I was really young, my mom enrolled me in a Catholic school. She's like, I want to raise my child to be a Christian boy. And then she realized that Catholic school is expensive, and she's like, he can go to public school, he'll be fine. And so, but while I was there, we had a little playground in the back, as they give kids, because kids need something to, divert their energy to. So, we went to, one of my favorite things on the playground was the swing set. I loved the swing set. But in the middle of the swing set, they had one of those like gymnast bars, like the little, not bars, but like little rings that you can pull yourself up on and do flips and stuff on. But those were connected with a metal bar. And somebody figured out, hey, I can get up and put my legs over it and dangle from it, and I look super cool. And as a kid, I was like, man, I want to be cool too. So if I'm going to be cool, I got to do that. It'll be great. And so this guy's like, hey, look at me, I'm super cool. And he gets down and walks away, and I'm just like, now's my chance. Now I can look cool in front of all the kids. So I get up there, put my hands on the rings, I throw my feet over, and I'm dangling, and I'm doing it. I'm like, yes, this is it. I have reached the pinnacle of cool. I've done it. But then comes the dismount. Because it gets to a point where like, okay, blood's going in my head. I'm getting tired of this. I want the world to be right side up again. So I go to get down, but instead of reaching up with my hands, I say, oh, I'll just let go with my feet. That'll work. I just let go and I'll be fine. But in doing so, like, oh, dumbass, you're upside down. You do that, what's going to land first? Your face. So I fall into the little divot that we've made from swinging, and I go just face first, right on my face. And of course, the part of me that hits the ground is my upper lip, right there. Right there. And if you haven't figured it out, it looked exactly like a Hitler stash. And so there are pictures of me in a photo album somewhere in my mom's house of just me in a Pikachu costume, like, really happy in this Hitler stash scab on my upper lip. And every time my mom shows that to somebody, they're like, where'd that come from? And I promptly leave the room. And that is my story.
Up now on the Playground Olympics, we have a new challenger coming up on the field for the Monkey Bar Challenge.
Yes, this athlete here is none other than Ian Johnson. Ian Johnson, he has been working and practicing for the monkey bars for the past 6 weeks. He's been doing all sorts of exercise, looks like a prime athlete. I think he's going for the gold this year.
He's really cool. I saw him on during recess once, and he did like a flip over the kid.
Right? He was like hanging upside down. I was like, man, I wish I could be like that guy. Are you just gonna go for it, ladies and gentlemen? You need total silence. Stage, you coming up? Spit it in the quiet. Judges. 10 out of 10.
This many. Looks like we have 10s across the board for Ian, a really good contender for the gold medal for the somersault. Yeah, he's really cool. He's really good and really cool. You should vote for him. You'd be friends with him.
Oh, you want to? I'm cooler than him. You cool?
Oh. We have a challenge from Alvin. Alvin wants to go up and give it a try, but can he be cooler than Ian?
I can. I'm cooler than you. Fuck you!
Your mother tells me you were excited to attend Catholic school.
Yeah, she says I'll be Jesus' number one.
There are a couple things you're going to have to learn here at St. Mary's Institute for the Fabulously Wealthy. One other person that is Jesus' number one, and that's, well, my personal Jesus. Solid gold. That'll be $500.
Okay.
We can build up to.
IOU can get. We'll build up to. Yeah.
The Lord works in that.
That's a gold Jesus. Wow. He would love that.
Oh, yeah. Other places are black Jesus, we've got gold Jesus. There are going to be a couple of costs associated with Catholic school. The Lord needs dough. Well, without dough, how may we break bread? Our motto for the school is actually et sictus size pam.
What does that mean?
Let's get this bread.
Okay, I'd love to read.
You might be familiar with this
I'd
book.
love to read.
It's the best book of
The Bible?
best book I've ever read.
Is it the Bible?
It's The Art of the Deed. Previous student of mine.
Hello, I'm sorry. Which son are you?
What?
Which? Principal.
Miss
What's-
Delight, yes.
Yeah. Listen, he's a real sweet boy.
Mom, I get to go here, right? They got gold Jesus.
What do you need? Okay, we got I can talk to some people. We're trying to get you in school. That's what we're about, right?
They got fancy words that mean
Is
bread.
he giving you grief about coming here, sweetie?
No, he's making it real nice. It's so nice. I really want to go here, Mom. Mom, I really want to go here. I mean, it's only $500 to touch Jesus. I
numerous benefits to joining the St. Mary's School of Fabulous.
How much?
It's an IOU!
We're going to public school with
The
all
public
the
school! Public school definitely. Mom! Mom! They got writings on the wall at public school that says Jesus sucks. No, he doesn't. I've only been in for about 5 minutes. I've lost some money. I wanted him up, Mom. I wasn't lying. The Spirit has touched him. I'm a believer. In Jesus. Look at me. Look at me. I can dance now, Mom. You can dance at public school. Unless you take a dance class.
We don't.
Dance is a sin, Mom. You actually earned money from that. See, Mom, we're making money up. This place got Lord.
Did I see reverse dancing? Did I hear reverse dancing?
You did.
Well, as the superintendent of this private school district, I have to expel you from religion.
Oh, Harold, thanks for coming to visit your mother. I've got a couple of photo albums I want to show to you, okay?
Okay, not anywhere from like 9 through 11. Please don't show.
Only 9 through 11. This page is dedicated just to Halloween. We have Blackbeard, we got soccer player, young Hitler.
It was Pikachu. Pikachu. You know, like the. Pikachu. Hi, Johnny. I got you tea from the kitchen. Hi, Mrs. Johnson. Oh, what you got there?
Oh, I'm just thanks, Rebecca. I'm just showing. I'm showing him how Halloween.
Is that my sweet Jimmy right there?
Yeah,
well, what about the way you
No. That was like, it's a Pokemon.
Freeze!
We see a yarmulke on his girlfriend's head.
It's young Hitler.
Oh, good heavens! Hitler was a Pokemon?
Welcome back to the 5th. Oh, hey there. Welcome back to the 15th annual Halloween costume contest. Look, it's a zombie. Where's your mummies? We'll get some toilet paper from the restroom. It's okay to be a little embarrassed. We have fun here. Oh, let's get our next contestant. Let's get our next Jesus Christ. That is hauntingly accurate. I'm going to ask what you are, and I'm going to hope you say Charlie Chaplin. What are you?
My dad. I got these from his wardrobe. He said I was a war hero.
Doctor, I never really respected the whole plastic surgery thing. I always thought it was really dumb and shallow, and I promise, I swear, I'm not doing it for any kind of crazy. I'm not here to get big lips or a fantastic ass. That's not what I'm here for. Got this scar, and it's kind of unfortunate. Several, actually. Okay. Not Hitler's mustache, just Hitler. I was at the dude ranch, right? And there was this, one of the ranchers, one of the cowboys on the ranch, he's part of the KKK, you know? Yeah, I know. And I got in a little bit of tussle with him, you know? I won't stand for that, it's 2018. And he had a branding iron on him. And really specific taste in branding iron. Hold on. I don't want to start with that one, because that's not the worst one. Oh, freeze! It's Osama bin Laden. We're not allowed to talk about it officially, but I was on the mission. But I was in his room. When I was in the room.
A little bit closer,
Is this what it's for exactly? You know what? I think maybe I should go to a different plastic surgeon.
Oh, where's Freeze? Him at a new plastic surgeon.
So I got this scar from the doctor.